Hello loves, it's Ada's recipes here. How you guys doing? Thank you so much for stopping by. Today I share how to make delicious egusi soup, guys. You're going to love this egusi soup. So the first thing in the pot is the protein. This is kpomo and beef. Okay, add some water, then you add some onion slices, some seasoning cube, salt, then you mix. Cover and leave to cook for about 5 to 8 minutes. So here we have pepper, shombo, red and yellow pepper. Add it to the protein. So next to go in is the mackerel fish. Cover and leave to cook for about 5 minutes. In here is ground egusi, crayfish, dry locust beans and uziza seed, all grinded. Add some onion slices, then take the water in the protein. Okay, add to it like so and mix very well. So after mixing the egusi, you're going to remove the mackerel fish to avoid it from going into pieces. In a dry pot, pour in some palm oil, add your onions and fry for about 1 to 2 minutes. Then you introduce the egusi we mixed with hot water, or the water from the protein rather. So continue to stir fry like this for about 3 to 4 minutes. Then cover and leave for 3 to 4 minutes. So this is it. Introduce your protein with the stock and give it a good mix. Cover and leave to cook for about 5 more minutes. Add some crayfish. Add water if need be. So if you like your egusi soup light, you can add water. If you don't like it, you can leave that. Add seasoning cube. Add salt if need be. Add your ukazi leaves. Give it a good mix. Add the mackerel fish we removed initially and be gentle while stirring. Then you're going to cover and leave to cook for about 3 to 4 minutes, and guys, our soup is ready. This soup was so delicious. It's something you should try out. You're going to love this soup, guys. Once you try it out, you can enjoy with any swirl of choice. And that is it, guys. Thank you so much. I'll see you guys in my next one. Have a lovely day. Bye.